In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your gas tank straps on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located underneath the vehicle. All right, so we're going to use a jack to keep the gas tank still and stable while we take the straps down. Make sure it's not in the way of your straps that you're replacing. And you got all four corners. You got contact with the jack. Using a 14mm socket, an extension, and my impact gun, I'm going to loosen up this nut. Alright, you might have to pry it out if it's a little rusty. Once you get it out that far, then you can squeeze it out over here using a pry bar. All right, so make sure you put your strap up above the frame and then feed it up on this side of the exhaust pipe. Once you're in there, you're going to put this end in first and then slide the other end in up top. Like that. All right, so now you're going to feed your bracket up onto the stud and put your nut on. All right, we're going to snug this up and then torque it to 39 foot-pounds. All right, so the same procedure for the other strap on the other side. And after you're done, you're going to lower down your jack. And make sure your gas tank is stable and tight. Shouldn't wiggle at all. It should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.